Hey Saberman, Coach coming at you with another video. I know it's been a couple months since I've last posted a video, but been super busy with work this summer. And I've been holding off on buying sabers because I have way too many sabers. Some that I don't even use. But as some of you may know, once you get in this hobby, it's very hard not to buy more. The latest to the collection is this 89sabers Fallen V1. It's kind of an older
May the force be with you.
model, but it was a really great deal for this saber. So yeah, it's the V1 with some light weathering. If this will focus. Installer painted right here. Painted this, did some weathering in the shrouds, and then he has the Jedi Survivor pommel and end piece. So yeah, even though it's an older version of it, still looks really good. You got 2-button setup, main, oops, and then aux. This is installed with Golden Harvest V3 Phase 4 board, Smuggler's Outpost 28mm speaker, and then obviously NeoPixel has CC-sabers, I believe, NeoPixel connector. And I just wanted to do a little overview of that video. So, yeah, so I got it from James Potter. I think it's called Potter Sabers is his website. I've seen him doing some installs for a while now. Decided to check him out when he commented on somebody's post on Facebook looking for Golden Harvest sabers, and I was like, you know, I'll check his website. And he had this for like $300 for a fully installed Golden Harvest 28mm speaker 2-button NeoPixel saber for $300. I thought that was a hell of a steal. So yeah, I picked this up, just got it, uploaded my own fonts and my own Golden Harvest settings and blade styles, and it's a really nice saber. Really good in the hands. This grip is super comfy. This isn't sharp at all. Really like the tactile button. It's like the same one like Saber Geo uses. The only thing I don't like about this, and I could, what I'm probably gonna do is drill some holes inside this pommel piece, because that little slit right there is the only sound venting on this whole pommel. And it sounds good still, but it does sound muffled. This saber is a Saber Trio, and I did have it custom installed by Jeremy at Solo Sabers, so it has the same speaker, except for this one's fully enclosed, this one isn't. And I'm gonna do a sound comparison. Same font, it's a Survivor pack, the new one, and I'm using the yellow one. So it still sounds pretty good, but definitely could sound better if I had some better sound venting. Now I'm going to show you the difference on why having sound resonance and fully enclosing your speaker and stuff like that is a big difference, because these are running the same exact speakers. And basically the same volume level, 40% for both sabers. This one's CFX, that one's Golden Harvest, but it's still the same font.
May the force be with you.
So yeah, very, very, very noticeable. And like I said, same exact speaker, Smuggler Outpost Elite 28mm, but this one's fully enclosed and has way better sound venting compared to this. I mean, they still sound great. This one still sounds good, but it could be better if it had a better pommel. Let's hear this one again. Still a gorgeous saber for being an older model. Not the most accurate, but I mean, for 300 bucks, can't complain at all. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little quick video. Still think it's a great saber. Really good install, very clean. Do this real quick. So yeah, it's Potter Sabers. He's the guy who installed this. He has a website that has ready to ship stuff. I think he has some like TXQ sabers that he did custom installs, and then factory installs from TXQ, and then he has a couple 89 sabers. I put that tape on there. I just wanted to close off the sides. But yeah, there's that Golden Harvest. Nice clean wiring job. Nice battery wrap on the chassis. Kill switch. Smuggler Outpost speaker. Super clean install job. Can't find anything to complain about. Only thing I can complain about is just the pommel on this saber, and that's not a installer issue or anything like that. That's a 89 sabers sound venting issue. So like I said, not the biggest deal in the world. I am probably gonna make some holes into the bottom of this, or maybe just get a different pommel piece, like the broken one. But yeah, I just wanted to show this saber off. Super clean. Definitely would like to get an updated version of this, but I'm pretty happy and content with this one. So if anyone's out there looking to get a Fallen Order hilt, I'm definitely digging the 89 saber one, and the newer ones look fantastic too. So yeah, thanks guys, have a good one.